Hi, a couple of weeks ago I saw a tweet on the internet and I responded to it. So I've covered that in a previous video, but something else I found quite funny. This chap, Gavin Shoebridge, combustion cars be like, no, wait, slow, wait, help, please, I need snorkel, I need time, no, crane emoji. Meanwhile, EVs are like, LOL, I'm factory standard, let's go. And it shows. It shows a Tesla shooting through all this water. You know, water's this high, Tesla goes through it no problem. This is going back a while. Edinburgh couple fume as they're handed a £17,000 bill by Tesla as they drove in the rain. The pair have told of the excruciating stress that has been caused by the ordeal, with Tesla allegedly demanding they pay for the battery that stopped working after a drive in the rain. An Edinburgh couple say they are in shock after claiming Tesla gave them a £17,000 bill to fix their battery that was damaged by the rain. Johnny, oh good old Scottish name there, Johnny Bassi Galupo and Rob Hussey told how they have been faced with a massive bill when their £60,000 electric car stopped working, when the capital was faced with extreme weather last week. Following frustrating correspondence with a company which boasts Elon Musk as its largest shareholder, the pair say they are still being asked to fork out £17,374 despite claiming no fault on their part. Johnny and Rob left their home near Baberton to head to a popular city centre restaurant last Saturday. Although they arrived with no issues, they say their car wouldn't start as they attempted to leave after enjoying their meal. It's very important that they enjoyed the meal as well. Nice to, nice to get that in, because the Tesla not starting, that's ruined all that. They say they waited nearly 5 hours from roadside assistance from Tesla support. I think that should be 4, and still have not seen their luxury car since it was wheeled away from the side of the road that evening. Johnny said, I honestly can't believe that this has happened. When I first got the call, I thought we'd get a bill for £500, £1,000. When they said over 17 grand, it's absolutely obscene. My heart missed a beat, honestly. We went out for dinner and drove our car to Frederick Street. That's because everybody else in the world knows where Frederick Street. Oh, Frederick Street. Yeah. Oh, God. Big dip, puddle, water, splash. Ice cars can't get through there, but EVs, they're like, whoa, let's go. Ice cars, oh no. Don't forget my air intakes under the front wheel arch. It's going to suck in. Hydrolock. After dinner, the car just would not move. Eventually, we had to contact the Tesla roadside assistance around 10 p.m. After a few annoyingly difficult further calls and one failed collection attempt, our car was collected by a firm suitable for Tesla collection and delivered to Tesla Edinburgh about 1 a.m. After complaints from me, we received a call at 5:30 on Wednesday saying the battery was damaged due to water ingress and it was unfortunately not covered by the battery's 8-year warranty, and so the repair would be around £17,500. Did I wish to proceed? I was flabbergasted and couldn't really find... Well, they look flabbergasted there. Even the dog looks flabbergasted. He looks like he's got a big smile on his face to me, I'm not sure. He looks quite happy that his Tesla's been written off. But they're reeling. John and Rob are still reeling from the huge bill. John says he pressed representatives of Tesla on whether he or Rob were at fault for the damage, to which he claims he was told it was a weather issue. He continued, they said the battery is effectively submerged in water. How can that be our fault? After finally getting to speak to a manager, he told me it had watering due to the fact the weather in Scotland has been so bad. That was the issue. They said it's not necessarily my fault, but it's not Tesla's to pay under warranty. Small point, but worth mentioning. EV batteries in seawater or salt water go off like a bomb. I mean, if it was me, I think that it is Tesla's fault because that battery should be waterproof. Otherwise, if all Teslas are like that, you've got all those Teslas going around which are just an accident waiting to happen. They're just going to explode, aren't they? Go through salt water, boom. They said it's not necessarily my fault, but it's not Tesla's to pay under warranty. He reminded me that there was a yellow weather warning in some parts of Scotland. I pushed him on this and said I've never heard of something like this happening. He said it can happen with Range Rovers and Mercs, but I'm just not buying it. To date, it's been a disaster of a service, and the stress and worry of this is excruciating. I said to the manager, so my understanding is Teslas are unfit for purpose in Scotland. I've been driving for 30 years, and this is my most premium car to date, and this is what it does when Edinburgh's roads get puddles or a little wet. You can understand him being a bit upset. BCA, today there's 5. I checked it out yesterday, and there's 0.7% of all EVs at BCA are non-runners. I know EV people like percentages. Let's just check this one. Tesla Model 3 long range, all-wheel drive saloon, 73,124 miles. It's had 2 owners. It was registered like all EVs. It's a New Year's EV, 31st of the 12th, 2020. So it's, just over 4 years old. Oh dear. Additional information, fault, battery low, non-runner, HV battery water damaged, NR will not start. The battery's water damaged. Who'd have thought? Combustion cars be like, no, wait, slow, wait, help, please, I need a snorkel, I need time, no. Meanwhile, EVs are like, oh, don't drive me today, it's raining. Be off with you, bloody EV people. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye-bye.